Look at them. Look at you.
Welcome or welcome back. This is Life with Fashion Doll. If you're new here, I am by the Fashion Doll. You can call me Fashion Doll or you can call me Trina, whatever you want to call me. So this vlog is going to be like a Sunday reset, y'all. I have so much cleaning to do. I have so much laundry to do. So I need to get things in my household. So that's kind of what we're going to be doing today. So I'm already on Walmart website and I'm trying to get my little grocery list together. I was thinking about making spinach rotel dip dinner today. So I need to get my grocery list together. I don't really need a lot of food, so that's a good thing. I can save money. I'm trying to stay within my budget. I do have a grocery budget that I try to stay in. I go shopping, grocery shopping every 2 weeks. Usually what I get it lasts us for 2 weeks. So that's kind of how I do my grocery shopping. So my household is the size of 3 and I'm on $150 grocery shopping budget. And I know for most households, it's like that gets you nothing. It really don't. But I really make it happen. I do sometimes go over my budget and spend like $200, but for the most part, I try to stay right there at 150 or a little under. And last week, no, 2 weeks ago, surprisingly, I was under my budget. So like right now, what helps me out a lot is like when I buy meat, I stack up on my meat when my 2 weeks roll around to go grocery shopping. I don't have to worry about meat. Like I have chicken breast, I have chicken wings, ground turkey. I got salmon in the freezer, so my freezer is full. It's just like little condiments that I need, basically little things to prep a meal with. So I'm trying to sign into my account. Hold on. Verification code. If y'all can see so far, I have cheese, cream cheese, Lunchables. Far as like my produce, I usually go to the store and get that myself. So I'll be grabbing like my eggs, my milk, my fruit. Cause you know when they grocery shopping for other people, they don't look to check for mold and check the dates on stuff. They just put it right in the cart and ship it off to you. So I like to go and do that part myself. Okay, I'm trying to make sure I got everything for the Rotel. So far I got my cream cheese, my Velveeta cheese. I think I need chips and Rotel. That the can. See Rotel. I like mild, so we'll do mild. And then what else I need? I need some chips. I'm trying to see if I want to do Doritos or spicy Doritos, regular Doritos or spicy. Let me complete my order and then I will be back. I think I'm gonna buy me some more sour cream too. I gotta go check out my sour cream and then we're gonna start this little cleaning process. So I'll be back.
I'm just ballin' with my check, yeah. Drop 2 callings with my check, yeah. Got her hands all on my drink, yeah. Let her take a couple steps, yeah. Play my role because she lit, yeah. Got it all on her wrist, yeah. Under pressure, she don't switch, yeah. All that pressure, now we glitz, yeah.
Santa Claus, I don't trust no else. Fuck you mean I barely trust myself. Come outside in my Jordan 12. If I see 12, I'm doing 12.
Ay, goddamn, they couldn't stand you. Now you pulling up, different cities, they demand you. Codeine in my cup, blick as fuck, acting brand new. Numbers going up, charting up, but I ran through
12. Come outside in my Jordan 12. If I see 12, I'm doing 12.
Goddamn, they couldn't stand you. Now you pulling up, different cities, they demand you.
12.
I'ma kiss my bitch goodbye. Right back home on that block, I scale it with my eyes. Dodging warrants, standing and could feel alive. What would I do to buy Rico and no surprise? Hey, I was stretching like a jeweler. Can't measure up my money dirty like my Ruger. Google me, ain't got no patience for the rumors. Don't play with fire, yeah, that young man like a Kuma.
She got a trunk on her, but she gave me headlight. When I'm blue, she get nude in the red light. When the head good is when I go to bed good. When the head good, they usually when the red good. I'm coming down slow like a parachute, shawty. I could put forever in the contest, shawty. Know you gotta remember he in Paris, you shawty. Yeah, we should cut him like Beyonce, shawty. Santa Claus, I don't trust no else. Fuck you mean I barely trust myself. Come outside in my Jordan 12. If I see 12, I'm doing 12.
Ay, goddamn, they couldn't stand you. Now you pulling up, different cities, they demand you. Codeine in my cup, blick as fuck, acting brand new. Numbers going up, charting up, but I ran through
12. Come outside in my Jordan 12. If I see 12, I'm doing 12.
Goddamn, they couldn't stand you. Now you pulling up, different cities, they demand you.
12.
Footprints in my bathroom, hair dripping with my thoughts of you. Blurred mirror still reflects you. All I feel is you around, and the rain is falling, 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 falling down. You linger in my sky, 'cause you leave a trail of perfect down.
Y'all, a day later and some hours later, I started cleaning this morning. I think it's like 6 in the evening now. So your girl been cleaning, okay? So I am done with everything. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog. Happy Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next vlog.